now get a lot of information on P2P investments, right?
P2P, yes.
Companies like Pitchin and all that, they are constantly bombarding you with investment opportunities. As part of your advice to your clients, do you look at this?
In Whitman, we would like a client to grow their money with high certainty. We normally do not recommend the client to invest into P2P because we find that it is very hard to do a due diligence on the P2P that you invest into. Even though you say that you can diversify, but to give money or loan to company who do not go to bank but go to P2P for funding, to us is a bit too risky. So we do not recommend to our client. But if the client is really keen, what we will do is that we will ask the client to put the money to the 10% of the high risk investment asset they have got, so that they can contain the risk. So should you put into P2P, maybe it should not be more than 1% of your total investment asset. Jeremiah?
Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, I know it's a risky investment, but
yes.
And a lot of it are actually technology based. So you just have to, I suppose, make up your own mind about those things.
Yes, the point is that no harm to try, to prove your point, but as long as you keep it to less than 1% of what you have, then you cannot be too risky.
Yeah, like they say, this money that you can throw away,
Yeah, not throw away. You can afford to lose.
Okay. Since I'm on the line,
sure.
The other question I had was, remember you mentioned something about robo investments, how now
sure.
you can put money in those kind of equity investment vehicles. Again, what's your view on this?
Robo-advisor is regulated by security commissions. There are a few of them, as you know, and they mainly invest into ETF. Okay, and by nature, ETF is quite diversified into certain stock market, certain index, certain region, or certain sector. And robo-advisor, I believe, help you to diversify further your investment by having maybe 10 or 15 ETF in your portfolio and be proper monitoring. So I would say that if you were to do a proper risk profiling, select the right portfolio for your robo-advisor, that should be considered one viable way for you to grow your money with high certainty.
Right.
Okay.
But do you also use this as part of your portfolio?
We do for some clients, because most of our clients invest in Malaysia. We are looking at the market like Asia Pacific, Malaysia, China, and this market is whereby human fund manager perform much better than the index. So that's why majority of clients' money are in human fund manager rather than ETF. Only the portion which involve like technology, which involve like a US market, we are now exploring to put those money into ETF. If money is important to you, please remember to subscribe to my channel.